Hey guys, Dr. Miller Monfels. Just wanted to make a quick little update because there seems to be some confusion on the microorganism group activity. Yeah, normally if we're in a class face-to-face, it would be easier to divide up the different groups, but I don't want to make any like online groups because sometimes people aren't going to follow through and they're not going to do it, and I don't want you to be held back because somebody else isn't doing the work. So I made the announcement of which areas we're going to be divided into, but let's talk about some of the guidelines. So this is what the guidelines are, right? So it's saying basically the presentation, so ignore the combined effort, but basically if you were assigned to group A, I want you to write a little paper or make a presentation, whichever is easiest for you, on fungi, right? So I want you to do general characteristics of fungi, define the hyphae, mycelium, all of these things. That would be for group 1. For group 2, if you were assigned protista, you would just do these ones on protista. If you were assigned group 3, the helminths, then you would do this, right? So depending on if you're in group A, B, or C, you're only responsible for those subsets. Now, as far as who was assigned what, this is just what I did, right? So the fungi are going to be the areas in the left column. Everyone that's going to do the protista is in the middle column, and everyone that's going to do the helminths is going to be in the right-hand column, okay? So basically, my point for this is that I just want you to understand a little bit more about your assigned category. Once I get the presentations from everyone, I'm going to combine it into one document and send it out to you guys. So I'll probably do this in the next week. So everyone might not have it all done, but I don't want to hold people back. But basically doing it this way is to try to help you so that you're not waiting on other people's group activities, because again, it's kind of hard that we're all, I mean, I love that we're asynchronous and that we're in a group and everything like this, but if we were all on the same pace, it would be a little bit easier to say, okay, this is due Wednesday, but you know, somebody might be on module 5 right now where other people are on module 2, and both of them are very much okay. So this is just the easiest way that I was able to find to divvy up the responsibilities and be able to let you guys still work on your own pace. So hopefully this is helpful. Yeah, the ones that I've gotten or I've had questions about, they look fantastic. Again, like for me, it's not a format thing, right? There's no right or wrong way. What I want you to get from this exercise is a little bit more information about fungi, protists, and helminths, right? And to know where to find a good resource to find that information. That's all. I personally don't really care about the format. You know, if you make a couple of grammatical errors, that's okay, try not to. But again, it's not about that. It's not about, did I put this period over here? Did I dash this correctly? It's not about that. It's just about finding information and exploring some of these different microorganisms a little bit more. All right, hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.